Hello everyone, welcome to today's video here at the poultry farm. As I talk, a lot of work is ongoing. We are finishing up everything on the construction part of this project. We are done with putting the wire mesh, as you can see. We have also started the leveling inside, and after that we are going to put the windows and doors, and we shall put the power, and then our hands are going to come in. So thank you very much for your support. See you in the next video. Bye.
Faithful through the ages, God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. God, from age to age, though the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history can prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful